Okay, so this is the new style, one of the new styles of the Carrier high efficiency furnaces. You can always tell you got high efficiency by the PVC piping. If it's metal piping, then it's 80%er. But anyway, this is a problem we've been having with these from day one, just about. And with the pressure switches, the back one, it fills up with water. When it does, that kills it doesn't let the vacuum enclose that switch, and so this unit won't turn on, or the back one will get plugged up. And so after doing it about 20 times, we realized it was redundant for that to even be there, because they're both pulling at the same, they're both negative, they're just pulling at different spots. So it doesn't need to be there. And so we just bypassed it, unhooked the back, put in our little plug here that has two. Your yellow is the power going in, the brown and the orange are the power going back, saying the switch is closed. And it doesn't, that switch really doesn't need to be there, because if the draft inducer is not working, this won't have negative pressure either. And so vice versa. So like I said, it's totally redundant. It doesn't need to be there. And then I just zip tie this, because there is still power, but it is covered up, so you're not going to worry about it rubbing up against anything. The other one is a lot of times over the summertime, this wheel will get stuck, and it'll throw that same error code 31, 3 quick flashes and then a short 1 flash. And if that happens, if it's in a call for heat and you come down and it's flashing that and this wheel's not spinning, just give it a little nudge, and if it starts, and typically it'll start working. You'll have to reset it, the power, to clear the code, but then once you do, you'll be back in heat mode. So just those couple little things when it comes to, if you get that error code 31, you have